In this video, I'll show you how to add blank page in Microsoft Word. If you have been wanting to learn how to add blank page in Microsoft Word, ensure you watch this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of more educational guides and content like this. Now go to your desktop background page. Right, this is our desktop background page. Now open your MS Word icon. I'll tap on this and wait for it to load. It's currently loading, so let's wait for some few seconds. So it has opened. So once it has opened, you see lots of other displayed options. This is the blank document, this is the creative letter, this is the CV and cover letter, this is the weekly planner, this is the invoice, this is the certificate, this is the lost bet, the flyer, greeting card, invitation party. So I'm going to click on this blank document. So this is how you can add a blank page in your Microsoft Word. If you enjoyed this video, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.